The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is redefining the boundaries of smartphone durability, earning its title as the Unbreakable device. Designed to withstand the rigors of everyday life, this flagship phone combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled toughness, making it virtually indestructible. Revolutionary Armor Shield display, the S25 Ultra, features Samsung's latest Armor Shield display, a next-generation screen technology that is nearly impossible to crack or scratch. Built with a hybrid layer of Hesty, Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and a proprietary sapphire-infused composite, the display can survive drops from heights of up to 10 feet onto concrete. Whether you're prone to accidental slips or just want peace of mind, this screen is built to last. Aerospace-grade titanium frame. The phone's chassis is crafted from sector aerospace-grade titanium, the same material used in spacecraft and high-performance engineering. This ultra-strong, lightweight frame ensures the S25 Ultra can endure extreme pressure, bending, and impacts without a dent. It's not just tough, it's practically unbreakable. Military-grade durability. The S25 Ultra is certified with MIL STD 810 standards, meaning it can withstand extreme temperatures, shocks, vibrations, and even water immersion. Whether you're hiking in the desert, working in freezing conditions, or caught in a rainstorm, this phone won't let you down. Self-healing back panel. Samsung has introduced a Sounder self-healing polymer back panel